Namaste and welcome to today's yoga session. Today's session is based on hot yoga. So, switch off that AC or fan and come back to the mat. Until then, let's begin with the positive affirmation. Tell yourself, I love how I'm progressing and I'm not going to give up. And let's begin. Stand and face the shorter edge of the mat. Bring your feet together, interlock your fingers behind your back. Gently lower your arms downwards, arching your back, opening your chest up. Exhale, bend forward, push your hips up, bring your heads close to your knees. Great! Inhale, come back, arch your back, push your interlocked fingers downwards. Exhale, bend forward, bring your head close to your knees. Inhale and up, and arch your back once again. Exhale, bend forward and down. Now inhale, come all the way back up, release your hands and bring them in front of your chest. Interlock your fingers, elbows pointing opposite direction, arms parallel to the ground. Now take a deep breath, inhale, and as you exhale, gently twist your upper body to the right, pushing further with your left hand. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, twist to the left, this time pushing with your right hand. Inhale and to the center. Exhale and twist to the right. Inhale and center. Exhale and twist to the left. Inhale and back center. 2 more times. Exhale and right. Inhale and center. Exhale and left. Inhale and center. Now release your hands, bring them to your sides. We'll move in with the yogic cardio session. Gently lift up your hands while bending your knees and shift your weight onto your hips, coming to Utkatasana. As you exhale, bend forward. Place your hands on the floor next to your feet, keeping the knees bent. Inhale, come up. Exhale, as you go down, straighten the knees, bend forward completely. Inhale, bend the knees going to Utkatasana, hands lifted up. Exhale, bend down with knees bent. Inhale, arms up, knees bent. Exhale, come down with straightened knees. Inhale and Utkatasana. Exhale, forward down, knees bent. Inhale and up again. Exhale, keep the knee straight, come down all the way. Once again, inhale and up, knees bend. Exhale, bend forward with knees bent. Inhale and up. Exhale, release the knees, come back down straight. One last time. Inhale and up, Utkatasana. Exhale, forward with knees bent. Inhale and up. Exhale and down, keeping the knees straight. Inhale, gently stretch forward and come all the way up. Stand here with Namaste pose for a few breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, come to the longer edge of the mat. As you inhale, now gently take your right leg out, stretch your arms up, open them wide apart. Exhale, come back to the center. Bend forward and down with your knees bent, hands resting on your shins. Inhale. This time, open up your left leg, arms up wide open. Exhale, come back to the center and down, knees bent. Inhale, open to the right. Exhale, come back to the center and down. We'll move a little faster now. Inhale and left. Exhale, center and down. Inhale, right. Open up. Exhale, back and down. Inhale and left. Exhale, center and down. Inhale, open to the right. Exhale and center down. Inhale to the left. Exhale and down. Last round. Inhale to the right. Exhale and center down. Inhale to the left. And exhale and down. Great job. Inhale, come back to the center. This is a great warm-up for your body. Stay here for a few more minutes, allowing it to return to normal. Make your exhalations longer so that you can relax your breath faster. Come to the short edge of the mat Now, gently bring your hands together above your head. Bring them down and behind with your fingers pointing downwards. This is stretching your scapula. Bring your thumbs between your shoulders. As you inhale, find your balance and raise your hands up towards the ceiling, coming onto the toes. Exhale, staying on your toes. Bring your hands to the sides. And inhale, bending your knees, stretching your arms forward, coming into Utkatasana. You can relax your toes if you feel you can't balance. Once again, exhale as you come up. Hands together behind your back again. Feet are flat on the mat. Inhale, take your arms up, lifting your heels off the mat. Exhale, lower your hands. Inhale, bend the knees, come into Utkatasana. Exhale, come up, hands to the back. Inhale, arms up, stretching up on your toes. Exhale, lower the hands. Inhale, heels down, bending the knees. Exhale, hands towards your back. Once again. Inhale, stretching the hands up on your toes. Exhale, hands down. Still on your toes. Bring your hands in front in Utkatasana. Exhale, hands back. Inhale up, heels up. Exhale and lower your hands. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, come up, hands to the back. Inhale, lift up on toes. Exhale, lower your hands. Inhale, Utkatasana. Inhale, exhale. Once again, exhale and come up again. Wonderful. Now gently bend forward all the way down. Palms on the mat. Bend your knees if you have to. Take both your legs back. Step back into Chaturanga. Lower your body on elbows. Chin, chest up, hips down. Slowly raise hips to the sky into Adho Mukha Svanasana and stay here for a breath. Now lifting your right leg up between your palms, stretch your arms out and hold this pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now as you exhale, bring your left leg forward, take it over and around right leg, and your left arm over the right arm around it. This is Garudasana. Find your balance here. Breathe in and breathe out. As you inhale, gently come out of the posture and rest your hands on your waist. Now exhale and lift your left leg up, bringing it parallel to the ground. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still balancing on the right leg. Take your left leg behind you, stretching it out. And bring your hands forward for support. Body in one straight line. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come all the way up, place your foot on the ground, and here is a short break. And once again, inhale, lift the left leg, grab it with your left hand, pull it up towards the ceiling with your right arm extending forward. This is Natarajasana. Now exhale. Release the left leg back on the mat. Turn to your left. Feet twice about hip width apart. Elbows in line with shoulders and hold. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's amazing. Now, turn to your left side. Toes pointing to your left. Take your hands behind you. Interlock your fingers. Inhale. Gently stretch your arms down. Opening your chest up. Look up at the sky. Right heel is off the mat. And you're bending on your left. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, gently exhale. Bring your heel down to the mat. Bend forward, raise your arms up towards the sky. Hold again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly maintaining the stretch as you release your hand and place them on the mat next to your left foot. Now, inhale, lift your right hand off the mat and take it upwards towards the sky. Holding here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now this is our flow. Inhale and lift up. Exhale and down. Inhale and lift up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale, down. Inhale and up. and exhale and up. Now inhale gently, lift up to the center, toes pointing forward, and as you inhale, take your hands behind your back, interlock your fingers, exhale, bend forward and down with your arms towards the sky. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now inhale and come all the way up. We'll start the same flow on the other side. Turn to your right, exhale, and lower your arms down, bringing your palms as close to the floor as you can, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift your left arm up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now exhale, bring the left arm down. Once again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. One last time. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. While inhaling, come back up fully. Once again, interlock your fingers behind your back. As you exhale, bring your head down forward with your right leg bent and your left leg stretched out, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come all the way up, taking your arms behind you, opening your chest, arching your back, and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, turn to the center again as you inhale, while bending your knees, taking your arms by your side, and hold in goddess pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, turn to your left side. Lift your right leg up and grabbing it with your right arm, you come into Natarajasana and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you exhale, slowly lower your leg down, stretching your arms forward, and stretch out the right leg outwards with your arms extending forward. Find the balance your body needs to be in one straight line. Exhale and lower the leg down. Once again, inhale, raise your right leg forward and up, hands resting on your waist, and hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, right leg over the left. Take it over and around the left leg. Right arm over the left. This is Garudasana. Remind yourself that you're doing absolutely amazing. Now, slowly release the asana as you inhale. Take your right leg back, place your toes on the mat, stretch your arms out, and come into Veerbhadrasana pose. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly exhale and lower your hands over your mat near your left foot. Inhale, take the foot back, chin chest up, hips down. Hips up to the sky, face down into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push your heels into the mat. Walk forward, keeping your knees bent. Lift your arms in front of you into Utkatasana. Now exhale as you come up, bringing your hands together. Take them back between your shoulders. Inhale, raise your hands up in Tadasana. Come on your toes. Exhale, hands down behind you. Lower your heels and coming to the floor. This is Utkatasana. Exhale and arms up behind you. Hold this pose for a few seconds. Inhale, arms up onto your toes. Exhale and down. Inhale into Utkatasana. Push your hips down. Arms extended forward. Exhale and up. Arms to your back. Inhale, arms up. Heels up. Exhale, hands down into Utkatasana. Exhale and up. Arms to your back. Inhale, arms up. Heels up. Exhale and hands down. Inhale and Utkatasana. Heels down. Exhale, come up, hands behind. Inhale, arms up on your toes. Exhale, lower your hands. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, lower your hands, toes down, heels onto the mat. Now, gently as you inhale, bring your hands together in front of your chest. Take a few deep breaths. And relax. Now, lie down on your mat, on your stomach, and place your palms next to your chest. Catch your breath here. Breathe in and breathe out completely. And let's start. And as you inhale, gently rise up. Bring your chin, chest up, keeping the elbows bent, tucked in towards your chest. Look up. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and come down. Now, place your elbows next to your chest with your entire forearm resting on the mat. Look up, lift up from the back. Now slowly lift your right leg up and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release your leg, come back down on the mat and let your chest and your head rest on the mat. Once again, now inhale and rise up. As you exhale, lift your left leg up and hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently place your leg back on the mat. Now place your arms next to your body, palms facing down. Place your chin on the mat once again. As you exhale, it's time to lift both your legs together and hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This was Salabhasana. Now exhale and slowly lower your legs. Relax here for a few breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Once again, now stretch your arms to your sides, extending them away from your body. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lift your hands and legs together, balancing on your stomach. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and come down. Great. Now, place your head or chin on the mat and slowly bend both your legs and lift your feet back. Grab your ankles with both your hands. Inhale and lift up from the mat into Dhanurasana. Maintain an arch on your back. Make sure your legs are getting pulled away from your body. Continue to breathe deeply. Inhale, exhale. Now release your legs and come back onto the mat. Now lift your chest up, push yourself back, push your hips onto your heels. Stretch your arms forward into Balasana. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Inhale and fill your chest cavity up. Exhale and empty it out. Now, keep your hands where they are. Inhale, lift your hips up, coming into Bithilasana with your back arching inwards. Look up. From here, exhale, lower your body downwards and come back into Bithilasana. Lift your knees off the mat, hips towards the sky into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Hips on your heels. Come back on all fours into Bithilasana. Exhale, chest chin down, hips up. Now inhale back to Bithilasana. Hips back up, exhale, come back to Bithilasana and push back into Balasana. Once again, Bithilasana, arching your back inwards, looking upwards. Chin, chest down, back to Bithilasana. Push into Adho Mukha Svanasana, back on all fours, push your hips down on heels. And back to Bithilasana, arching up, chin, chest down. Push your hips up into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Back on your knees, push back into Balasana. Once again, arch your back upwards, chin, chest down. Push your hips up towards the sky. Once again, come back on all fours, push your hips towards your heels into Balasana and extend forward. Now come back on all fours. Extend your right hand and left leg out. As you exhale, arch your back up. Bring your right elbow to the left knee. Inhale and stretch them out. Exhale, bring them back together again. Inhale and stretch. Exhale and inwards. Inhale and stretch. Exhale and bring them closer. Inhale and stretch out again. Exhale and bring them together. Good. As you inhale, bring your hand and knee back on the mat and relax into Balasana for a short break. Come back up on the other side. Inhale, stretch your left hand and right leg out. Exhale, bring the elbow to the knee. Inhale and stretch. Exhale and bring them closer. Inhale and stretch. Exhale and bring them closer. Inhale and stretch. Exhale and closer. And the last time, inhale and stretch. Exhale and bring them closer. Once again, inhale and lower your body on your heels and stretch in Balasana. Now inhale, lift your hips and arms up, coming onto your knees. Place your hands on your lower back. As you inhale, arch your back backwards. Drop your head back. Gently raise your right hand, put it on your right heel and your left hand on left heel and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly, as you exhale, release from the asana and push back into Balasana to relax. Now, we'll get into the cool down section in a few minutes. Come back on all fours and lie down on your back with your feet stretching out and your arms by your side. Now, bend your knees and lift them up, bringing them closer to your chest. And wrap your arms around your shins as you exhale and lift your chest and head up into Pavan Muktasana. Hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly bring your neck back. Now, take your hands between your knees, palms resting on the inner side of your knees and push your legs open. Lower them forward towards the ground for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Great. Put your knees and soles on the ground. Touch the soles of your feet together and stretch further for your inner thigh. This was Supta Baddha Konasana. Once again, inhale and exhale. Now slowly extend your legs forward. Turn to your right and sit up in Sukhasana for pranayam practice. Today we're doing Bhastrika Pranayam. Sit with your palms on your knees and now as you inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale with a force while bringing your elbows down in a quick motion, making a fist with your hands. Once again, inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Inhale and up. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Wonderful. Lower your hands on your knees, keeping your eyes closed. Gently lie down on your mat, feet apart, arms falling to the side, palms facing towards the sky and chin to chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax deeply. Lie here for a few more minutes and remind yourself, I love how I'm progressing and I'm not going to give up. We will see you in the next session.